This is a quick overview on how to remove and replace the airbag module on a Mercedes. Here we have an E-Class. The airbag module is right down here under the ashtray. So what you'll do is you first set the parking brakes. Make sure there is no risk of the vehicle rolling, because we'll move the shifter into neutral. Let's start with that. Open that. Move the trim up. So once you move that, you can move it a little bit further to drive. Now during this whole procedure, I'm still keeping the brakes pressed just in case, so the vehicle doesn't roll. Here, this simply comes up like this. Now you can unplug the cigarette lighter there. Simply pull that, and right here we have the airbag module. Now the important thing here, before you disconnect it, you want to make sure you turn off the ignition. You disconnect the battery. Make sure that you unlock that plastic piece, that green piece right there, that will allow you to unengage that connector, and then you can move that connector back. Then you have these torque bolts right here, 1, 2, and you should have 1 or 2 on the back as well. So then you can remove this. Now to the airbag module, it needs to be coated. If you're installing a new one, it needs to be virgin, meaning that it can't be a used unit unless it was flashed and your VIN number was written on the used one. Otherwise, if you take one from another vehicle, then it's just not going to work and your SRS light will stay on. But that's it. Thanks for watching.